Hello, and welcome to our Wood Financial Group November Market Update. My name is Danny Prestige. I'm a certified financial planner, and I'm here today to talk about some of the economic events that influence the markets during the month of November and give some insight into what they may mean for investors as individuals. Now, November was another volatile month for the markets. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones both saw ups and downs, but both indexes were barely able to squeak out some positive returns for the month. Now, during the month, investors had to weigh concerns about terrorism and global growth against some positive data that we saw here at home in the United States economy. In particular, during the month of November, we saw numerous terrorist attacks, which brought home the real threat posed by instability in the Middle East. But despite those ongoing security concerns, investors largely shrugged off the events and showed that they're able to keep calm and carry on in the face of uncertainty. Now, we don't know how those recent attacks are going to affect global economics, but some experts do worry that travel restrictions and reduced retail spending could harm already fragile economics in Europe and abroad. Now, domestically, economic data maintains positive. Our most recent jobs report came in well above expectations as the labor market continues to add jobs. Better yet, wages increased 2.5% from a year ago. Now, that's the highest year-over-year increase since 2009. This month, we also got to look at the second estimate of Q3 economic growth. The latest data shows that the economy grew 2.1% in the third quarter. That's much better than the 1.5% growth originally reported in October. The revisions show that businesses are growing. That also indicates that the economy continues to progress nicely. Now, all these positive economic indicators are putting pressure on the Federal Reserve with regard to the big question everyone keeps asking. Will the Fed raise interest rates during the month of December? Now, we won't know for certain until they pull the trigger, but what we do know suggests that the Fed is seriously looking for opportunities to raise rates during the calendar year. We also know that the Fed economists are closely monitoring this economic data that comes in continuously, and they're not going to make a move until they feel confident that the economy can handle it. Now, as we approach the Christmas season and the end of 2015, we do expect investors to turn their attention to holiday retail numbers and expectations for 2016. We expect the U.S. economy to continue its acceleration, while a lot of other countries continue to struggle from weak growth. Now, we'll talk a little bit more about fourth quarter results in the coming year during next month's market video update. But right now, that's it for this month's update. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns about anything we've discussed here or anything that you've heard on the news or read in the newspaper, please feel free to give our office a call. Wesley Wood or myself will be glad to sit down with you and address any concerns that you have or talk to you about any questions that you have. Also, you can go to our website at www.woodfinancialgroup.net for a lot of good information and some information on upcoming events we have. You can also check us out on our Facebook page at Wood Financial Group. So for now, that's it for our November market update. Once again, my name is Danny Prestige, and thank you for watching.